bearish divergence formation playing out on the chart right now, and Bitcoin is trading at 42.6k. If you look at the ETH chart, I told you the market is going to come down a little bit and move upward. Right now, market is going to go to the upside. Okay, so expect bullish move upward on ETH. This and many more in today's analysis. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. On the Bitcoin one-day chart, if you look at it, market move all the way from here upward and then come back to the downside. And I was talking about a bearish divergence at this very point. So the market move upward a little bit. And then from this area, if you connect the same point on the MACD, the market come back to the downside from this point to this area. And right now, the MACD histogram have started formation on the negative side of the MACD with increased momentum on the red bars. This is very important, guys, because market is going to come back down as expected, and that is what we are seeing right now. And I told you to watch this very level of $42,000 and $40,000 at this very point, because a breakout here will send us into this very point right here. So this is what I'm paying attention to right now. If we break out, market is going to come into this level of $37,000 and $36,000. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now. So for the one-day chart, market is still going to come back to the downside because of this bearish divergence that is playing out on the chart right now. So what you have to do is to look for short position, not buying the market right now. BTC 4-hour chart right here, you see the market dropped down a little bit, and I told you the market is going to come down. Right now, expect retracement. Okay, market should retrace a little bit upward before continuation to the downside. This is what you need to expect right now. Very straightforward and simple. Market should come back upward, okay, for retracement of this impulsive move. Market have to retrace a little bit, and then from this very area, expect the market to come back down. Why this level? Because this is where we see some spike from in the past on the price action. So from here, market is going to come back to the downside. So that is when you have to look for short opportunities. So for now, even though the market move upward, don't buy the market, because this very movement will not last long. Market is going to still move to the upside in line with this impulsive move. So this is what you have to pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart BTC. Look for short opportunity, look for short position, don't buy the market. That is what I'm expecting. And on ETH USDT, I told you that market is going to come back down a little bit after this move, okay? And that is exact same thing we see right here. And the reason was because the market have not ended retracement. So as at this point, when I did that video, I told you that the market have not fully retraced, and that we should expect the next move to the downside. And that is exact same thing we see right at this point. Market come back down. Right now, market is going to move upward. Okay, this is what I am expecting right now. I tell you that market is going to come into this level where we see spike, and that is exact same point where market come into a little bit, and right now it's moving to the upside. So what you need to watch right now on the ETH chart is market moving from this price level where the market is right now, and this area of 2447. From this point, expect market to move upward and approach this very level of resistance. So this should be your target. So a buy position would be a nice thing to do on the ETH chart. This is what I am looking out for right now on the immediate short term on ETH. A buy position from here to the upside will be a nice thing to do. And on ADA, from this very point, market dropped down a little bit, and right now market seems to be coming back to the downside. But right now on ADA, I am expecting that this market move upward. So if you look at this level of support, it's a very critical support on the chart, because from here market move upward, and that is where the market touched in the past. So from this point where the market is right now at this price level of 0.53 to this very area of support, market is going to move upward. So this is what I am expecting right now. Market should move upward on the immediate short term, approaching this level of resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. Why this level? Because this is the level where we see the market move down from in the past with a significant bearish candle to the downside. So what you need to expect right now is a buy momentum from here to the upside on the ADA USDT 4-hour chart. Market should move upward. So look for buy opportunity from this very area of support right here and where the market is right now of 0.53. And on the ARB chart, ARB USDT, that's arbitrium, you see the market come back down and to this very point, and this very level is a point of resistance at this very area. So from this area, market from this resistance turns support at this very point. I am expecting this market to move upward. This is my expectation. So from where the market is right now into this point of 2.00, expect the market to come back upward. So market should make the next move to the upside from this very region, and your target should be this level of resistance right at this very point. This is what I am expecting right now and paying attention to on these various charts. So a recap of today's video is for arbitrium, look for buy opportunity from this very area to the upside. I am expecting the market to move upward because the market moved all the way from here up. So retracement continuation. And on ADA, look for buy opportunity as well from this very point upward. And on ETH, market is going to move upward as well on the immediate short time. And on Bitcoin, market is going to move upward, but that is not the right time to buy. Market is going to still come back to the downside. So for BTC, for our chart, look for short opportunity. Don't buy the market. This is what I'm expecting. And on the 1-day chart, I am expecting this market to see come back down, and also expecting the market for a possible breakout on this very level of support. This is what I'm expecting on this video chart right now. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also, check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. If you've not registered on Binance, check the description of this video. You see a link and register. And when you register on Bybit with my link down below in the description of this video and deposit $100 and place a trade, you stand a chance of winning $1,000 bonus. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.